Back pain affects millions worldwide, significantly impacting quality of life. While its causes are complex, sleep position plays a crucial role in alleviating or exacerbating the issue. In this exploration, we'll examine the relationship between sleep positions and back pain. Sleeping in certain positions can put strain on your spine, muscles, and joints, leading to discomfort, stiffness, and pain. Back pain holding you back? We've got the ultimate sleeping position hacks to help you wake up feeling refreshed and pain-free. The first sleep position we recommend for back pain is back sleeping with a pillow under the knees. This position can help take pressure off the spine and alleviate back pain. By placing a pillow under your knees, you can maintain the natural curve of your spine and reduce strain on your back. Next, we have side sleeping with a pillow between the knees. Sleeping on your side can be beneficial for back pain, but it's essential to keep your hips and spine aligned. Placing a pillow between your knees can help maintain proper alignment and reduce pressure on your back. In addition to these positions, you may also want to consider the fetal position, curled up on your side. This position can help reduce pressure on your back and promote relaxation. The log position, sleeping on your side with legs straight, can also be beneficial for back pain. This position can help maintain proper alignment and reduce strain on your back. Finally, the urinal position, sleeping on your side with one arm extended, can also be a comfortable option for back pain sufferers. Thanks for watching. This video provided a short introduction to sleep positions for back pain. If you'd like a detailed video on this topic, tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sleep tips. Sweet dreams.